Guys, quick little video, basically just done an essential modification to the car. As you can see, the series is falling apart a little bit, so I've got to fix that tomorrow. But basically I've got phase 3 front lights on here now. Just need to get the phase 3 bumper, because the phase 3 lights are crystal and the other ones are just crappy. Oh my god, someone is having a fire over there. Basically, my wrist is a little bit painful at the minute because I've broken it. That there's the old negative terminal that would have gone onto there like that. It was, hang on, that's the wrong way around. It was absolutely, well, negative was fine. It was just this little bugger over here that was a bit dicked, because it's one of these twisty little bastards. As you can see here, you would go on there fine. This now would go on here like that, something like that. It's basically dicked, and I have no power coming through on there. And basically as well, it didn't help I had a sheared earth strap as well, and I've just trod on something. Don't know what the fuck that was. That's the battery mount. I need to put that in later on. So yeah, I just went to the range in Bridgewater and bought myself some battery terminals. So basically chopped them down and whacked them on, and to be honest with you, I'm even surprised at myself they work. So who's that? That's Dan in his Clio. But yeah, basically, oh fuck me, what's happened here? Oh, hang on. Bugger me wrist. Bloody very sick thing. Give it a minute, there we go. Yeah, it's not completely in. Low battery, 10% come up. Right, hang on then. So yeah, lights fit on here perfectly. HIDs work, car starts perfectly. If I just show you that. I'll put HIDs on. But come in here. Got bloody stereo. Well, stereo's gone flat. Obviously, bloody playing a load of bloody colours and demo and shite. So I put it in. See, the car's a lot more happier, brighter lights, even though it is a new battery. But I do headlights. Just show you. Bit low on fuel, but HID's in, and yet they are charging, I hope. So yeah, pretty happy with it running. She is low on fuel, which is why revs are a bit high. Can't twist the key. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll see you in the next video.